Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to open raw files for free. So the first thing you want to have is Photoscape X. So the way you download that is you go here to the search bar and just type store. It's actually going to be the Microsoft Store. When you open that up, at the top right corner, click on search and type Photoscape X. This app is completely free and actually use it to do thumbnails, edit photographs, and open my raw photographs. So I have already installed the program. So after you install it, just open the program up and it's going to look just like this. I'm actually gonna minimize this just to show you guys. And you're gonna be here at the top left corner, editor. Now, if you just install the program, you're not gonna see it here. These are my JPEG photographs. The way you can tell is just right click on it and just go to properties. And as you can see here, it says JPEG. That's not the raw photograph. This will be the raw photograph. So right click on it, go to properties, and you can see right here that CR3. So if you go back to the store here, you can see at the bottom, these are all the description information for this program for Photoscape, and you can see that it opens raw images. So this app's free again. Just minimize it here. If you don't see the Photoscape logo here, just right click and click on Open With, and if it doesn't show up here, uh, you can look at search the Microsoft Store or choose another app. Just click on choose another app and just look at the list that you have. Click on more apps and it should show up on this list. So I'm gonna exit out of there. So once you have that set, exit out of there. I'm gonna open Photoscape, and all I'm gonna do is just here, let me minimize this over here, and I'm just gonna drag and drop the image here, maximize that. So this is the image that I took. If you want to edit the picture, uh, you can just click on the right corner here, click on colors, top right corner, and you can see that I could change contrast, the saturation, texture, um, brighten the picture. You can lighten the shadows. So this program is great. It's completely free. So you don't have to go and buy an expensive software to edit your photographs. You can make it look pretty professional. As you can see, the colors have changed from the original. And I'm actually going to exit out of there and show you the original picture. Again, see the colors they don't look as good. So hope the video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and share the video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.